K Plus Technology Solutions is your premier provider of technology solutions and resources for innovative and cutting-edge tools. Oh, hey there! Have you heard about artificial intelligence integration? Here's some exciting news about Microsoft's CoPilot, an innovative resource tool that's reshaping workplaces and enhancing productivity. It's called Microsoft's CoPilot. This tool automates tasks and empowers employees to focus on strategic activities by assisting in creating emails and summarizing meetings, thus saving time and reducing cognitive load. Let's dive deeper into Microsoft CoPilot, one of the most advanced AI tools for productivity. We'll cover what CoPilot is, its key functions, and how it streamlines workplace efficiency. Microsoft CoPilot is an AI-powered assistant that is embedded into Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Teams. It uses advanced artificial intelligence, drawing from tools like OpenAI's GPT-4 to assist with everyday office tasks. Think of CoPilot as your personal productivity assistant within the Microsoft ecosystem. Designing slides, CoPilot can generate entire slide decks from a simple outline or convert a Word document into a polished presentation. It adds visuals and suggests layouts to make your presentation engaging. Summarizing content. If you have a lot of information, CoPilot can create concise slides with the key takeaways. Visual enhancements. It suggests design improvements like adding graphics or animations to make your slides more dynamic. Generating meeting notes. CoPilot can listen to a meeting and create detailed notes including key points, action items, and deadlines. Summarizing conversations. If you missed part of a meeting or want a recap, it can summarize the discussion for you. Automating follow-ups, it helps you track action items and can even send reminders or follow-up emails based on meeting discussions. Tools and ways CoPilot streamlines efficiency. By handling tasks like writing emails, drafting documents, and creating presentations, CoPilot reduces the amount of time employees spend on repetitive activities. This frees up time for more strategic creative work. In Excel, CoPilot helps users understand their data better and faster. Instead of spending hours analyzing spreadsheets, you can get key insights almost instantly, making decision-making quicker and more informed. In Teams, CoPilot makes meetings more productive by generating real-time summaries and action lists. It ensures everyone is on the same page, even if some team members couldn't attend. The AI also keeps track of decisions made during meetings, making sure follow-ups happen seamlessly. CoPilot's ability to draft and refine emails in Outlook ensures that communication is professional, clear, and to the point. It can adjust the tone to be formal, friendly, or persuasive depending on the situation. This is particularly helpful for busy executives or teams that need to manage a high volume of email traffic. In Word and PowerPoint, CoPilot helps generate content and improves the quality of writing or presentations. It offers new ideas, suggests visuals, and helps create a polished final product faster than starting from scratch. This innovative tool can accelerate and streamline your workload efficiently and brilliantly. Give it a look. Writing assistance in Word. Drafting content, CoPilot can create entire documents based on prompts. For example, you can ask it to write a report on a topic and it will generate a draft. Editing and suggestions. It can suggest edits to improve grammar, tone, or clarity. If you've written a draft, CoPilot can highlight areas for improvement or rephrase sentences to make them clearer. Summarizing content. If you have a long report or document, CoPilot can create a brief summary for easy understanding. Data analysis in Excel. Automating formulas. If you struggle with complex formulas, CoPilot can generate them for you. Simply describe what you need, like calculating monthly revenue growth, and it will do the rest. Data insights. It can analyze large sets of data and provide key insights, such as identifying trends or anomalies. CoPilot can even suggest graphs or charts to visualize your data. Creating pivot tables. Instead of manually creating pivot tables, you can ask CoPilot to organize data in the most efficient way. Email management in Outlook drafting. Emails. CoPilot can write email drafts for you based on simple instructions like write a thank you email to our new client. It can adjust the tone and content based on your preferences. Summarizing conversations. If you receive a long thread of emails, CoPilot can summarize the key points so you can quickly understand what's important. Prioritizing your inbox. It can help organize and prioritize emails, highlighting urgent messages or those that need immediate action. Creating presentations in PowerPoint. Designing slides, CoPilot can generate entire slide decks from a simple outline or convert a Word document into a polished presentation. It adds visuals and suggests layouts to make your presentation engaging. Summarizing content. If you have a lot of information, CoPilot can create concise slides with the key takeaways. Visual enhancements. It suggests design improvements like adding graphics or animations to make your slides more dynamic. Meeting productivity in teams. Generating meeting notes. CoPilot can listen to a meeting and create detailed notes including key points, action items, and deadlines. Summarizing conversations. If you missed part of a meeting or want a recap, it can summarize the discussion for you. Automating follow-ups. It helps you track action items and can even send reminders or follow-up emails based on meeting discussions. By integrating AI tools like Microsoft Copilot, businesses can significantly increase productivity, reduce errors, save time, and enhance the quality of work. By integrating AI tools like Microsoft Copilot, businesses can significantly increase productivity, reduce errors, save time, and enhance the quality of work. I hope you found value from this video. Don't forget to contact K+ for all your technology needs. 312-882-4400.